In this video, I'll guide you through how to collaborate on a GitHub repository. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, collaborating on GitHub is an essential skill that can streamline your workflow and enhance your projects. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily become a collaborator on a repository. First things first, to collaborate on a GitHub repository, the repository owner needs to add you as a collaborator. This is a crucial step since without this permission, you won't be able to make changes or contribute directly to the repository. So, if you're working with someone, ensure they're ready to add you. The repository owner will need to navigate to the repository's main page. Once there, they should look for the Settings tab. This is usually found towards the top of the page, right next to other options like Code and Issues. Clicking on Settings will open up a world of configuration options for the repository. Inside the Settings menu, the owner should scroll down until they find the Collaborators section. This area is specifically designed to manage who has access to the repository and what kind of access they have. By clicking on Collaborators, the owner will be able to see a list of current collaborators, and more importantly, this is where they can add new ones. Next, the owner will need to select Add People. This option allows them to send an invitation to new collaborators. At this point, it's important for the owner to type your exact GitHub username. Make sure to double-check the spelling and case sensitivity, as GitHub usernames are precise. Typing the correct username ensures that the invitation reaches the right person, which in this case is you. Once your username is entered, the owner can send you an invitation. This invitation will pop up as a notification on your GitHub dashboard. Keep an eye out for it, as it's your key to accessing the repository. Once you receive this invitation, simply click on it and accept. Voila, you're now a collaborator on the repository. As a collaborator, you'll have the ability to push changes, create new branches, and contribute to the project in a meaningful way. Remember, collaboration is all about working together effectively. Communication is key, so make sure to keep an open line with the repository owner and other collaborators. Before you start making changes, it might be helpful to familiarize yourself with the repository structure and any contribution guidelines. Many projects include a README file or a contributing guide, which can provide valuable insights on how to best contribute to the project. And there you have it. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to collaborate on a GitHub repository. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate into any project and start making valuable contributions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy coding!